What's good mga boss? Ngayon, may exciting tayong pupuntahan dahil naimbitahan tayo sa grand opening ng Kabayan Cuisine Restaurant dito sa Abu Dhabi. Tara! Located ang Kabayan Cuisine Restaurant sa Hamdan Street in front of AKM Music Center. Nagumpisa ang grand opening ceremony with a blessing prayer para humingi ng blessing para sa restaurant, followed by ribbon cutting ceremony na siyang official opening ng kanilang restaurant. After the ceremony, everyone was happy and excited. Now, it's time for the best part, the food. Ang daming choices at lahat mukhang masarap. I can't wait to try them all. Nagbigay din ng speech ang isa sa mga owner. Taos puso nagpasalamat sa lahat ng naging parte ng kanilang journey. Ramdam mo talaga ang saya at gratitude sa special na araw na ito. Kasama rin ang ibang content creator dito sa Abuja to celebrate and welcome Kabayan Cuisine Restaurant. After the formal program, it's time to have fun. Nagsimula na ang kulitan, tawanan, kantahan at sayawan. Talagang buhay na buhay ang event at lahat masayang nagse-celebrate. Share ko lang mga boss, first time ko ma-invite sa ganitong event, kaya I'm truly honored and grateful to be part of their celebration. Thank you Kabayan Cuisine Restaurant.